Wow. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no. Oh my God, I caught an eagle. Come. This is a dangerous animal, that's the problem. I don't want to be, I want to save him. That's my major goal, but I don't have a gloves, I don't have anything. No, he's gonna get me. He's gonna get me if I do that. Line, I got the lure and I got the line. I got this body on the line. Managed to hook him off now. Just dry out and he's on his way, but we managed to move him. Thank God. It was a big fight we did. We are friends now. We are friends. Okay.